My crackdown on what the feds are calling massive health care fraud. The Justice Department says it has charged more than 300 people in fraud amounting to more than $14 billion. At least 5 of the cases right here in our area. Among the accused, Leo Gavani of Clearwater. We told you about his arrest last week. Gavani is accused of stealing $100 million meant for patients who are disabled. Prosecutors say Gavani was the leader of the nationwide conspiracy and his business partner, John Witek, facilitated it. Witek is also charged.
These criminals didn't just steal someone else's money. They stole from you. Every fraudulent claim, every fake billing, every kickback scheme represents money taken directly from the pockets of American taxpayers.
Prosecutors say more arrests could follow as this investigation continues.
National healthcare fraud takedown results in 324 defendants charged in connection with over $14.6 billion in alleged fraud. Published date: June 30, 2025. Category: Champa and other healthcare fraud, VHA. The Justice Department announced the results of its 2025 National Healthcare Fraud Takedown, which resulted in criminal charges against 324 defendants, including 96 doctors, nurse practitioners, pharmacists, and other licensed medical professionals, in 50 federal districts and 12 state attorneys general's offices across the United States, for their alleged participation in various healthcare fraud schemes involving over $14.6 billion in intended loss. The takedown involved federal and state law enforcement agencies across the country and represents an unprecedented effort to combat healthcare fraud schemes that exploit patients and taxpayers. It was led and coordinated by the Healthcare Fraud Unit of the Department of Justice Criminal Division's Fraud Section and its core partners from the U.S. Attorney's Offices, Health and Human Services (OIG), Federal Bureau of Investigation, and Drug Enforcement Administration. The VA/OIG, Centers for Medicaid and Medicaid Services, Homeland Security Investigations, Internal Revenue Service Investigation, Defense Criminal Investigative Service, Department of Labor, United States Postal Service (OIG), Office of Personnel Management (OIG), and other federal, state, and local law enforcement agencies participated in the operation. VA's integrated veteran care programs provide critical community-based health care to our nation's disabled veterans and their dependents, said Acting Inspector General David Case of the VA/OIG. Robust oversight of VA's healthcare system is one of VA/OIG's highest priorities. The VA/OIG is committed to holding accountable those who defraud government benefits programs intended to care for our nation's heroes.